is a 12-inch finished 8-point star, and you don't have any set-in seams with this star because it uses all half square triangles, and then there are squares in the corners. Here's the diagram. There's two patches, A patch and B patch. The A is the 3.5-inch cut square for a 3-inch finished, and there are 4 patches in the corners. The next patch B is cut 3 7/8 inches, then cut each one in half diagonally once to get 2 patches. These are your half square triangles. You'll need 8 patches for the background and 8 patches for one fabric and 8 patches for another fabric. We're going to make 3 different sets of half square triangles, and then we're just going to put them together in the block. Here are my fabrics. Here's the corner squares. Here are the light half square triangles and the 2 colors, each of the 2 colors. Now I'm just going to piece the half square triangles and put them in the 3 different stacks. Here are the different blocks we have: the half square triangles, 3 sets, and then the squares. There are 4 of each of these. So, and with the 4 squares here, that's 16 patches in this block, or units, however you want to look at it. Now we're just going to put these together and follow the diagram. The ones with 2 fabrics go in the center, and they're going to make a pinwheel. Whoops, one of these days. Okay, there you go. The center makes a pinwheel. Then you just match these. This will go like this. So your points are going out this way, and this one is going out that way. So this will go this way, and then that way. And then, now there's your star. And then we're going to fill in with these. Now you'll just piece your rows, 4 rows, press your seams open, and then stitch the rows together, and your block is finished. Thanks for watching.